Dear students, in this video I will show you how to write online test through NLearn app. So watch this video carefully and listen the instructions. So as per the schedule, the question paper will be available in NLearn app. You can see the scheduled question paper on the home screen here. You can start the test by clicking on the take test, or there is a filter option on the left side of the top screen, which consists of 3 lines. Click on that 3 lines. You can see all the features of the app. So you have to click on test. Here you can see 3 options: active, attempted and missed. Active means the exam is scheduled for today as per the timetable. Here the exam login time is mentioned. So within this login time only you need to start the exam. If you don't attempted the active test, it will move to missed test. Here you can take missed test, but you won't get results in the school data and you won't get any rank. Missed test is only to practice. So almost attempt the active test only without fail. So let's get started. So I will show you how to take the test. So when you click on active test, you will find the exams like this. So select the exam, click on take test. You will get an option called read instructions. On the above home screen, you can see total marks for this exam, how many questions asked for this question paper, and how much time is scheduled for this exam. So exam time, how many questions and how many marks for this exam. When you click on read instructions, here you will see the instructions. So is there any negative marking and how to take the test. So what are all these options? You must read all these instructions before going to start the exam. Okay, when you click on, so after reading all the instructions, here there is a check box saying that I have read and understood the instructions. You have to click on check box here and click on start test. So within few seconds, question paper will be downloaded in your device. So to take this test, you must have good internet. Without proper internet, you can't take the test. The question paper won't be downloaded. Okay, for this exam you need a proper internet. So here you can see the question number, question along with the options. On the top of the screen you will find the timer. So timer is getting decreased continuously, so it won't stop. Within this time only you have to submit the exam. Otherwise, if it comes to 0, the exam will get auto submitted. So remember this time. Even if you left this exam also, the exam timer will continue and it will end. Once it is 0, the exam will get auto submitted. So remember carefully, once you started the exam, you need to complete all the questions and finally you have to click on submit within this given time. So see that timer, it is getting decreased. So for JEE Mains 3 hours 180 minutes is there. Within 180 minutes you need to complete the exam. So I will show you how to mark the answers. So read the question and there is a radio button is there for each option. Click on that circle and click on save and next. Don't click on submit initially. There is a right side option called submit. You need to click on submit only after completing all these questions. So for each question you need to select the option and click on save and next. You must click on save and next, then only the questions your answers will be saved in the server. Okay, for every answer you need to click on save and next like this. Okay, So if you want to go to previous question, click on previous. If you want to change the option, then you must clear the response. Here clear response option is there, just clear it and you can change the option, and again you need to click on save and next. Okay, if you want to if you want to go to uh, other section, I mean physics, chemistry or math, if you want to start with math or chemistry, just there is a four options are there left side top corner. So four circles are there, small circles, click on that circles. Here you will find all the questions of this exam. There is a choose section is there, all sections. On the top of this you will find number of questions, all questions, how many you answered, how many not answered. Here red indicates you have read the question but you didn't answer that question. So blank, all remaining all white are there, no, these are all not yet visited. Green indicates you have marked the answer. Okay, if you want to select the section, click on drag down here all sections. So chemistry, math, if you want to start with math you can start with math. Okay, 37, click on that question and directly you will go to math. So within that time only you need to do all these things within the given timing only. So for every answer you need to click on save and next. So if you are not sure for any question, I mean, so for example this is 40th question. If you are not sure for the to answer that question, I mean you are getting doubt whether the question option is A or B, you need to answer this at the very end of this exam. You can mark for review here. Okay, there is the option called mark for review. So it shows where you marked for that question. So directly you can, so when you click on mark for review, click on save and next. So I will show you how it look like. So you can't go previous when you click on previous you can't find it. It will kill your time, it consume more time. So to know where you mark for review, there is an option called again four circles, click on that circles. Here you can find the purple color which is mark for review by you. When you click on that 40th, you can select the answer and save and next. So like this, for every answer, for every question you need to click on save and next. If you don't want to answer, just click on save and next. Just click on save and next, that's it. Okay, all the questions you can see here like this. Okay, those are empty, that means you didn't read that question, you didn't visit that question. Green indicates you have answered the question, red indicates you didn't answer, you have read that question but you didn't answer that question. Okay, so once it is done with all the questions, okay, don't forget for every answer you need to click on save next. So finally, once you are done with your exam, there is an option called submit on the on the right side top corner. Click on submit. It will ask, it will show you the exam summary. Okay, how many answered, how many not answered, how many questions are not visited, answered and mark for review. Okay, you can select the section wise also, section wise how many you have answered. Entire exam summary you will get to know before submitting the exam. When you click on submit, so it will ask your confirmation, are you sure you want to submit the test. So if you feel still I have to answer remaining questions also, click on no resume. So from where you left you can continue that exam. If you are sure you are done with your exam, click on submit. So when you click on submit, and a rating will come on, a pop-up rating will come, just give the ratings and click on rate us. So you can see the response sheet and view results. So I will show you the result here. Click on view results. So you will find percentage. So here all India rank, section rank will be appear when the exam final analysis will come in the branch. So after exam analysis, final analysis only, you will get to know your all India rank, section rank for this exam. So out of 186, how many marks you got, you will get to know here. And average time per question, accuracy, time taken by you for this exam. So you will get all the summary. After final analysis, you will get a detailed analysis with final key. So if you want to check your responses, just click on back arrow. So just now we have done an exam, so it will move to attempted. So this one, active attempted, which means you have taken the test which are in active. If you take the test in which are in missed, it shows missed attempted. So I will show you. So here missed attempted. Okay, so all must take active attempted test. So when you click on view response, here you will get within few seconds the response will get downloaded. You can see what are the answers you have selected for each question. Okay, so it will show you marked. Okay, like this you need to take test through this and learn. So if you have any doubts, please contact your principal. Okay, one more thing, the instructions are for this exam is, so all the students must uh, take the test with good internet. Do not switch the device while writing the exam. Do not switch the device from one mobile to other laptop or one device to other device. If you do so, your answers won't get saved. So strictly remember this one. Don't switch the device while writing the exam. Okay, if you do so, you will lose the marks. Okay, and don't stop. If you started the exam, don't stop anywhere. So because the exam timer will keep on running. Once it gets zero, the exam will get auto submitted. So don't think that if you go back and left that exam, the exam will get stopped. No, the exam will get keep on running. Once it is done, the exam will get auto submitted. So every student must take the active test without fail. So in the attempted test, you will get all the analysis. So this is the initial analysis. When you click on view results, you will get to know each and everything. So for physics, how many scores you got, for chemistry, for math. So detailed analysis. In the final analysis, you will get all India rank and section rank. So within once you click on submit, you will get instant results. Whereas in offline, you will get 1 day or 2 days. It will take time. But whereas in online, you will get instant results with detailed analysis. Okay, thank you so much.